The centre is pushing through the amendments in the Motor Vehicle Act to legitimize electric-powered rickshaws across the country. They were taken off the road following a number of accidents and a ban by the Delhi High Court. Now, with elections around the corner, the issue has also become politicized. Take a look.
The centre pushing through amendments in the Motor Vehicle Act to legitimize electric-powered rickshaws across the country. E-rickshaws and e-carts can now be back on the roads almost immediately without a mandatory one-year waiting period for a license. Since August this year, thousands of e-rickshaws have been off Delhi's roads following a spate of accidents and a ban by the Delhi High Court. Hardest hit have been people like Babulal, a day wager who had taken a loan to buy an e-rickshaw. While there's been no earnings for 5 months, his rickshaw's battery was recently stolen. He and his wife now take turns sleeping on the vehicle to ensure it too is not stolen.
तो बैटरी कब गई आपकी?
बैटरी आज गई, आज सर।
कितने की है बैटरी?
बैटरी का 20,000 की, इसकी गाड़ी की 20,000 की, 40,000 का।
Delhi's auto unions and rickshaw drivers had been among the chief drivers of the Aam Aadmi Party's election campaign last December, and both the BJP and the AAP clearly want to reach out to them.
I'm little worried, I'm surprised, and this is an attempt to hoodwink all the rickshawalas to get their votes, nothing else. It's not aimed at doing any welfare to the people.
चुनाव को देख करके नहीं है, ये हमारा पुराना कमिटमेंट था। जो इतने 2 से 2.5 लाख जो लोग इससे इफेक्ट हो रहे थे और ये हमारा कमिटमेंट था, तो उस कमिटमेंट को हम पूरा कर रहे हैं और लोगों को इससे बेनिफिट भी होगा। लोग सम्मान के साथ अपना जो ई-रिक्शा चलाते हैं उनका रोजगार, उनका घर ठीक से चल पाएगा।
Interestingly, Nitin Gadkari had promised to bring in a new stringent road safety act to replace the existing Motor Vehicle Act this session, but that may not happen now.
We haven't seen an amendment coming through to the Motor Vehicles Act for decades. We are surprised that why the new bill has not been introduced.
The move to amend the Motor Vehicles Act will have an impact not only in Delhi but across the country. But its impact will be felt in the capital the most because more than 2.5 lakh families depend on e-rickshaws for their livelihood. These are also families which will go out and cast their vote in February next year to elect Delhi's next government. In New Delhi, Siddharth Pandey for NDTV.